gonna have to say that I've got the squeaking issue with the brakes solved. So possibly right back to here's my fast speed of 30 miles an hour, just to show that the squeaking problem is done, and I can do 30 or so on this. 30 to 33 miles an hour if you crank it. So there you go. Hopefully that's satisfactory for you all.